Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Time Machine on Mac. First, ensure your external hard drive is connected and formatted correctly for Mac OS. Then, navigate to System Settings on your Mac and find the Time Machine option. This is where we'll initiate the backup process. Click on Add Backup Disk to select your chosen storage device. It's a straightforward process that provides essential data protection for your files and documents. Once you click Add Backup Disk, a window will appear showing available drives. Choose the external drive you wish to use for your Time Machine backups. If the drive isn't already formatted for Time Machine, you might be prompted to erase it. This step is crucial for proper functionality, so proceed if necessary. After confirming your selection, Time Machine will prepare the disk and begin its first full backup, which might take some time depending on your data size. Time Machine offers several customization options to fit your needs. You can exclude certain folders or files from being backed up, saving space on your external drive. Simply click Options within the Time Machine settings to manage these exclusions. For enhanced security, consider encrypting your backup disk. This protects your data if the drive is lost or stolen. Time Machine typically backs up hourly, but you can adjust settings for specific schedules. Should you ever need to recover lost or deleted files, Time Machine makes it simple. Open a Finder window, then click the Time Machine icon in your menu bar and choose Enter Time Machine. You can then browse through past versions of your files and folders using the timeline. Select the items you wish to restore and click the Restore button. It's an incredibly powerful feature for data recovery. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.